Hey, what's up, fam? Today I have Ambunu conditioner on my hair, and the main purpose of this video is to share with you how I made it and also me applying it on my hair. You can see my hair is soft and moisturized, so let's head right into how I did this. So I have here my Ambunu herbs, and then I also have my turmeric extract, my oil, which is mixture of oils, and the procedure is just to put some amount of the Ambunu herbs into this into the container. Now this time around I'm not using the Ambunu powder. I prefer to use the herbs because as a conditioner you don't want to be having a lot of stuffs in your hair. So after adding this, I go ahead with my hot water as usual. You pour an amount of the hot oil. I usually start with a little and then I add more water because Ambunu releases a lot of mucilage, and so you need to add a lot of water. Like previously, I am also not really measuring it, but I'm just doing it with reference to how I feel like I need it to be thick or light, which is why I'm adding some amount of water again towards the right now. Now Ambunu is very great. I mean, I tried this as a shampoo on my hair and I was really impressed. That is why I'm also using it as a conditioner on my hair, so that I just see which of the two I prefer to use Ambunu the most. So after waiting for some time, this is what I have, and it's now time to transfer, or let me say to sieve the Ambunu herbs. So I have here my cloth, and then I just pour the Ambunu into it and sieve the liquid from it. Now I do this 2 times because with every time with the first one you see some little other particles in it, and I just decided to make it free of any leaves or herbs as much as possible so that I get only the gel. So this is what I have, and I decided to do it 2 times because I have to utilize these herbs as much as possible. So I add more water to it. You can even do it 3 times. It depends on you. And Ambunu has a lot of mucilage, so you have to just maximize and take everything out of it. Otherwise, you just be wasting it. So this is what I have for the second one, and I'm also going to sieve that one as well. And trust me, it gave me a similar mucilage like the first one, which means that even if I repeat it for the third time, I'm still going to get something out of it, which is a great thing because you wouldn't need that much of the Ambunu herbs at a time. And it's very great because I mean, this is a DIY and you have to use a lot of it. So sieving it can be quite messy, as you can see, and it's very hot, so it's really burning my hands, but Charlie, we have to do it. So after I am done, this is what I have, girl. Now this is very beautiful to look at, as you can see, and it's time to add my moisturizers. So I call them my moisturizers because they also help add moisture. And this is my turmeric extract. I'm using to as a replacement of my glycerin. So if you have glycerin, you can go ahead and use glycerin because this is a mixture of glycerin and turmeric extracts. Yes, so just something as a replacement for mine, and it's very slippery, as you can see. And just adding a little of my glycerin, then I go ahead to add my oil. Now this is my mixture of oils. It has olive oil, coconut oil, sunflower oil, and some other oils in there. I just add a little of the oil as well to the Ambunu, and then I go ahead to mix it with my hand mixer. This is just to make everything in there get mixed up. So these are basically what I add to my Ambunu conditioner, and then yeah, this is what we have as the conditioner, and then we are really ready to apply it. Now I just want to show you how it is. This is very like slippery, and I can't wait to try this on my hair just to see how it is going to feel as a conditioner on my hair. So my hair is freshly washed out of the shower, and this is my hair, and I'm gonna begin to apply the Ambunu on my hair. So as a conditioner, you just apply your shampoo and then you go ahead and apply your conditioner. So I part my hair and then I go ahead to apply the Ambunu on each part of my hair. So my hair is already has water in it. That's why I'm not applying water on my hair. I go ahead to apply it on the root of my hair just to show you how it is. Apply it on the roots of my hair towards the end of my hair. Now applying this on my hair, I realized that it is very smooth. It is also like it helps me like detangle the hair. So I just go ahead to just try and detangle it a bit just to remove some of the shed hair from my hair, and then coat it a little bit with the rest of the Ambunu. Now this feels very cool, like cool applying it to the hair, and I would say it also feels moisturizing, and I wouldn't think of any other thing to use as a conditioner if I have this as a replacement for my conditioner. So just applying this all over to the tips, and I make sure that I apply a lot on the tips of my hair because I really want that part to also be moisturized as well. So previously I uploaded a video of me preparing and using Ambunu shampoo on my hair. I'll put the link above so that you check out that video. I also have a video of me preparing an Ambunu powder. I'll upload that one as well so that you see the various ways I use Ambunu on my hair. Now my hair really feels it feels smooth, it feels soft, it feels moisturized, and I'd also say that it feels stretched, as you can see, and I really like this on my hair. Like if I'm to compare using the shampoo and using the Ambunu as a conditioner, I would say I like both because they all do different things. Using this as a shampoo, I use it mainly on my scalp, and using this as a conditioner, I use it mainly on my hair. So I would like both of them, but I'll be using the conditioner most of the times, and I plan on incorporating Ambunu in my hair regimen. So you can just keep visiting my channel to see how I'll be using Ambunu in my hair recipes. Thank you so much for watching.